question is, does NO2 has plus M effect? No, NO2 does not have plus M effect. It shows minus M effect, mesomeric effect, resonance effect. In this case, substituent group withdraws electron from the conjugated system through resonance, deactivating the ring. See, I will tell you from here. This is the structure of nitrobenzene. This is nitrobenzene. It is having the double bonded oxygen and coordinate covalent bonded nitrogen oxygen. So here what will happen, this oxygen is more electronegative, electron pair go towards oxygen, so this electron pair donated to the nitrogen. So now nitrogen is having double bond. Now it is carrying one positive charge, here one negative, okay. And in some countries it is written one negative, in some where it is not written, writing there one negative. So this will remain positive charge because nitrogen is having four bonds. Okay, so after that what will happen, this carbon become electron deficient, so pi electron moves towards here. So now this para position positive charge moves, so at para position it is electrophilic now. So this electron is bond coming, pi bond delocalized and coming over here, so this bond is formed and this positive charge shift to here. Okay, and then nitrogen think what is going on, so oxygen, it takes away electron which is oxygen has grabbed, so it is coming back, so everything will be rearranged. See here, the back of this, here left side double bond, here right side double bond is there. So resonance structure. In some countries they are writing both the oxygen negatively charged. In India sometimes they are not writing any charge on it. Okay, in India sometimes they are saying only charge on here, not here. I mentioned over here because many country students are thinking that it should be negative, then only the two positive, two negative will be balanced. I was thinking also like that. Okay, so this is right side. Now I told you that it is minus M effect is showing because it withdraws electron from the benzene towards itself. So it is this ring become less nucleophilic. Earlier it was nucleophilic when it is not there. Okay, electron rich pi bonds are there, but here when it will attract shared pair of electron from here, this carbon to nitrogen, so this become less nucleophilic. That is why it will not prefer electrophilic substitution reaction readily to occur. Some minus effect, nitro group, cyano group, sulfonyl group, carbonyl group, that is aldehyde or ketone, and carboxylic group and NO group. Here benzoic acid also I have shown like this. The same way you have to say this oxygen is taking electron here, then O negative, this electron